everyone, so this is my deep cleaning of mini fridge video. The fridge is filthy and I'm about to clean it. So I've got my multi-purpose cleaning surface cleaner from Pink Stuff, and I've got a big mop basket, loads of warm water to clean it with, soapy water with a sponge and cloth, and somewhere a Brillo pad. So first and foremost, I hope you can see, I'm not sure if you can. First and foremost, I'm going to move back a bit, and we're going to start with the fridge internal structure. So first and foremost, I'm going to have to use a sponge. In fact, no, I'm going to have to use the Brillo pad, which has decided to disappear. We found it. So clean the internal structures first. Get all the dirt off. All on the side. Give it a little bit of a rinse. And then we'll go in at the back. Try and get all this dirt as well as we can. A bit of elbow grease. And the walls. Give it another rinse. And then we're going to be moving on now to the door. I'm going to have to try and move the camera, which will probably fall off to warn you. So as you can see, the door is pretty filthy. I haven't actually used this fridge in about a year. This is from my emergency temporary accommodation where there was no kitchen and there was no oven and there was no sink. There was just a bed and a shower that was blocked, and that was all I had in my home for 4 months. So I wasn't really able to do very much cleaning at that time. This is sadly the case for about 250,000 families in the UK who are in emergency temporary accommodation. They don't have any facilities, and often, as I saw firsthand, there are children there too who also are living off of tins because there is no cooking facilities available, or bathing facilities, or nappy changing facilities for that matter. So it's pretty bleak out there, everyone. Make sure you consider your choices in life, because you don't want to end up where I was. Anyway, so now the fridge is back, and we're just fridge once over. So we've used the Brillo pad, and now I think I'm going to go and use the sponge as well, because this is quite a severe case of fridge neglect. Because I haven't been using the fridge for a year. I've had a bigger fridge which I've been looking after and maintaining, but this fridge has been in the storage cupboard. I've only need it now because I had a lot of food. I have a lot of food today, and there's not enough space in the big fridge for it. There's no freezer space. I'm hoping to get a freezer soon, but I don't have a freezer right now, so any frozen goods are probably going to have to be thrown away because my fridge has been so full recently that I've not been able to close the freezer door properly. So yeah, anyway, I think we've done the surface level clean, and now we're going in with the deep clean with this trusty cloth here. So we're just going to spray it like this. I will give it another rinse after this as well, just to make sure that it's very, very clean. Yes, well. Make sure we don't miss any parts. And then we'll just scrub. actually a lot of rinsing involved in these deep cleans. The rinsing is the bit that gets all the chemicals off, and I don't want to risk any food being contaminated with disinfectant, because to be completely honest, that's the last thing I need right now with everything else that I've got going on in my life. I do not need to be poisoned by any pink stuff, cleaning fluids. Be the last thing I want right now. So yes, anyway, so we've given that a good deep clean. I would ideally like to have, I was going to plan on preparing a bowl of non-soapy water for this last bit, but unfortunately I didn't manage to bring it over and I've got a knee injury. So I'm just going to dry this cloth, give it a good squeeze, and so I'll just fill the fridge, like so. That's my fridge clean. I don't have a towel, sadly. I will maybe one day be able to prepare adequately for these big tasks, these life-changing endeavours, but for now we're going to put this stuff in there. We've got a coleslaw, got a lovely, not here, our best ever egg mayo sandwich from your fave Marks and Spencer's. Got another one there, another egg sandwich. Got a bought roast beef and horseradish mayo sandwich. We've got a nice pack of fine egg noodles here. Put that on the top shelf. Got some British pea shoot medley stir-fried egg noodles. Got some broccoli, fine beans, carrots here. Put those over there. And that's it, everyone. I'll give you a good once over of the fridge. Let me just. That's how clean it is now. That's the insides. The freezer, as you can see, is empty. But yeah, and then we'll just close the door. Et voila. If you've enjoyed my deep cleaning fridge video, I'll see you next time.